Steel is the most recycled material on the planet. Not plastic, not aluminum, steel. Over 80 million tons of steel are recycled in the United States every single year. Globally, more than 630 million tons are recycled annually. That means the beam you are looking at right now has likely lived a previous life. A building, a car, a bridge. It was melted down, reborn, and rolled into something new. Steel never really dies. It just becomes something greater. When it arrives at Kozal Steel, it enters a yard built around one thing: getting the right material to the right job without delay. We stock a wide range of structural steel, ready to go. This is where the job really begins. Every piece moves through our Peddinghouse saw, one of the most precise band saws in the industry. Cuts are clean, dimensions are exact. Whether you need one piece or 100, the Peddinghouse handles it with speed and accuracy that keeps your project on schedule. Then it meets the Ocean Avenger drill line. One spindle, precision-guided, hitting every hole location exactly where the engineer specified. Anchor bolt patterns, connection plates, moment connections. Accurate every single time. Every hole, every cut, every measurement exists because someone is counting on this steel to perform. A floor that does not bounce, a wall that does not shift, a building that stands for generations. That is what precision fabrication means, and that is what leaves this yard every single day. From there, the steel moves across the yard to get primed and painted, ready for the elements, ready for the field. On our truck is something a little different. This is the Kozal bolted beam, a steel I-beam with a wood plate already bolted to the flange before it ever leaves our yard. Carriage bolts in a staggered pattern every 24 inches. That pattern prevents the wood from deflecting and eliminates floor squeaks entirely. Our custom crane trucks arrive ready to set. No extra equipment to coordinate, no waiting. We place the steel exactly where it needs to go, making your job easier from the first piece to the last. No nailing in the field, no A-frame bracing, no shot on or bent over nails. Just a beam that arrives ready, so your crew can keep moving and your home buyer gets a quiet, stable floor from day one. From recycled metal to finished structure, that is the life of the beam. And yours starts at Kozal Steel. Give us a call today.